Hello, it is an early morning for Boyo's Travel. It is currently like 6:37. It's 7 o'clock. But anyways, we are getting ready for a day in my life. Boyo's has a trick of many trades, which means I have a lot of hands in a lot of things. And so y'all gonna take a day trip with me, see behind the scenes what I do day to day here in Tennessee since I've been back. It's been hectic every day. Today is currently overdose awareness, and I want to say, if you guys know anybody who is battling addiction or has lost the battle of addiction, that you give them a remembrance, that you always make sure that you are celebrating their life, and that you know, let them know that they're loved. So if you have somebody in your family that is dealing with it, make sure that you tap in today, give them some love, some appreciation. But that's not all that my video is going to be about today. You guys are going to watch me do a couple cleaning jobs. Y'all gonna see me with my family today. Y'all see me with my new shirt that I'm trying to make, just everything. So make sure you guys give this video a like, share with your friends and family if you haven't already, hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any other videos like this. Make sure you are subscribed to the channel, and let's jump right into it. All right, y'all, so we are supporting Kayla, my sister, in overdose awareness today. I got on her shirt, but we have cleaned 2 houses. We're currently picking up my niece. It's been a great day. I'm going to show you guys a couple pictures of just the mountains that I got to see. If you guys lived in Tennessee, don't take advantage of these mountains. Make sure you guys spend some time in nature and enjoy it. You guys see I look a hot mess, but don't worry, because we're going to look better once I get in the shower and get myself together. But if you guys live in Tennessee and you live in the Knoxville, Maryville, any of that area, and you're looking for a house cleaner, she is a very quality service. All of her clients are like 3-story houses. They're huge. So if you have a house though that you're wanting to get clean, make sure you tap in with Blessed Cleaning Services by Dana Bobo. That's what I've been working on while I've been here. It's on a grind. Boyo's is still moving, but you know, we gotta make things work in the meantime. So I'm working here, then you're gonna see me at the window tinting shop. So y'all come see me, tap in. I should be moving around the city. I am so excited. I have an interview coming up. So make sure you guys check in with Boyo's Travel. 2026 is already getting booked up whenever it comes to travel. So if you have any plans, any trips that you're looking to take, any vacations that you take on a yearly basis, let's start planning those now. It's so affordable with payment plan options and just being able to get the whole group on the same page ahead of time. So make sure you guys tap in. I'm about to head to the house and get ready, so you guys are going to get ready with me. But make sure y'all tap in, you know what I'm saying? And if you guys have a small business, comment below and let me know, what do you do? Do you spend full time on your business, or do you have a bunch of side hustles? What is it? Like, do you have just one strict business? Do you work for corporate and you have your business on the side? Comment below, let me know how you get to your day-to-day life. So we finally got switched up. We looking better and ready. We got Keon, and we are supporting Cake. We're supporting TT, and we're supporting Mom. Hang on, I gotta get my shirt. You can't even read what it says. There it goes. Yeah. Not just a statistic. She was my mom, and then she got on a K-shirt with a cute skirt and little ponytails.
That's my mom.
That's your mama. Representing. Anyways, enjoying this nice view. If you guys have never been to Tennessee, come out and enjoy the mountains and the view, and take a step back. You know what I'm saying? So we have made it here at the recovery place. It's been so great. I've gotten a lot of good connections, reaching out with yoga. Hey, Lay, you enjoying your time? What kind of candy did you get? Let me see your bag.
A lot.
You went trick-or-treating, didn't you? You got a Snickers in there?
Yes.
Grab me one. Yeah, take our pic. That's not a Snickers. Okay, we'll see in a second. Let's take our picture. You take our picture? Look over the light. Look at the camera. Please.
I thought you was doing it. DJ over here.
She's not. She didn't want to stay till 7.
Oh, I wasn't even paying attention.
My brother got to say he's on his way back. Yeah. He had to leave before.
Yeah. Well, I think we've done made it to everything. Yeah. It's cute. We have a cute little setup. We was all like, that's cute. What is this for?
Yeah.
Family owned and operated.
Yeah, we're an outpatient
Okay.
center for substance use and mental health.
Are you local?
Yeah, we're in Knoxville.
Okay.
On the west side.
Oh, you're connected. Oh, duh. You're under me.
No, we're not.
See?
Oh, listen, I've been assuming a lot of things today, so.
Thank you. Do you guys offer wellness? Like, do you guys offer like yoga or any type of wellness?
That's included in the program.
Okay, yeah, I'm a yoga instructor, so I was asking. Do you have like a yoga instructor at your facility?
We do have people who teach yoga.
Okay.
Yeah, here's my business card if you...
Yeah, I just got moved back here, so I am looking to reconnect in the community. So yeah, I would love to learn more about what you guys do.
I'm sure you're getting your feet wet too with the yogis. I know some good studios too. If you have any questions, just text me.
Okay, perfect. Thank you.
Crossville location. But they have other locations too.
You probably know my mom. She's probably there.
What was this? The way
Yeah, so
recovery
that's our housing for Crossville. This is a little bit about our program in general, like that.
Okay.
Yes.
Well, she went to what's it called?
Beauty for Ashes, but she went to a few different ones. She was at a lot. I don't know. Her name was Tara Stewart. I don't know if you know her.
I feel like I do. Yeah, I've done admissions for about 6 years, so I probably
Yeah, you probably have. Yeah.
and stuff. So yeah, that name sounds very familiar.
Amen.
Oh man, this is her kid. That's her brother. Oh, it is. Hey, you here? You put it on? I didn't do one yet. There you go.
She's behind. Thank you. Did you get one? Did you hear what he said? That was from his son that passed, and he always used to say this. And so that's why we have that in memory. Yeah, he should have been hiding. Go grab one. It's right there.
Come on, DJ.
Thank you.
Wait, who doesn't have one? Who doesn't have one?
I just made sure she got. Yes. Thank you.
You have one?
Yes.
You don't have one yet.
You didn't get one?
No.
Thank you. I thought everyone got one.
Must be busy.
Yes, she would appreciate that right now. So would Mom. All right, sunglasses going on. Y'all see how many people's here? Oh, they got a They're taking their pictures.
Be careful stepping. They're landing up by your feet.
One man right in front of you.
She's stuck. That was stuck.
Yeah.
Did you get it?
Take a picture with it. Take a picture. Oh, there it goes.
Tickle my fingertip.
Oh, it stayed.
There you go.
Yay!
Tickled on it.
Here, take my picture. I think I'm live. Just go live.
You get a picture?
Aww. That's your mama. Old mom. So they come frozen. Like in this
What?
trance. Yeah. It puts them to sleep. Like,
Take my picture.
Brandy. Got it.
So they come frozen and what
Yeah,
they.
and you keep them really, really cold because it keeps them asleep. And then you de-thaw them right before you release them.
Lay, did you pick
That's
one
crazy.
up? Look at Lay. She's trying to. You got it, Lay.
Yeah, that butterfly landed right in front of me.
Pick it up.
I was trying to pick a butterfly.
And it's gonna mess it too. Oh, you! Oh no! Mimi just stepped on it. Yes, you did. Mommy, I got one. Here. Give me the remote. Let me try.
Here, see. She said, I want to try out a different one. Oh.
Yeah, let me try.
Just let it walk up on your finger. Yeah, it's about to. There it goes. See, now lift your hand up. Lift your hand up.
Stepped on this butterfly.
Oh no. All right, there you go. Now lift up. There you go, Key. You did it. You want to try it, Lay?
Come here. Wait. Wait, that one's stuck.
The family, we all made it here. I've been at everybody's. I've been like, what did I do?
Right there.
Oh my God. Let's get out of these butterfly ways because y'all, I'm making me nervous. I'm sweating. I'm wet. I'm about to get. There's another one. Did it die?
They're all in the grass.
Yeah. Let me give you a hug because I think.
Are you leaving?
I think we're about to in a second. Thank you. I'm styling and profiling, you know.
Oh, you even got the matching shoes?
Yeah.
Oh, well, I'm trying to beat the heat. I don't know. I don't think we're leaving yet, but we're about to. But it was good seeing y'all. I'll see you on Tuesday, boss man.
Yes. Yes. All right. Well, that was a good event. I got my shirt made by yours truly, Boyos, you know. Butterflies was cute. Y'all see it was staying on me. Did you finally pick one up, Lay? Let me see your face. Did he do? Let me see what he did.
She's wiping it. It looked good though.
Dude, he did good. I needed to see it
Walk
before.
in front of her so we can be in the video. Come on.
Hang on, let me switch. Yeah, period. Go get. There you go.
Quick layup. We're in the video.
Yeah, Briella's been mad. She's been in it the whole time. I said, girl, you'll be all right. You made a bracelet? Let me see.
Because it broke.
You're making it because it broke? Where'd you make a bracelet at? Oh.
Look at that one. Look at that one. Yeah, that's what I like to see. Black excellence. Black excellencies. Yeah.